Assalamualaikum. Today we will prepare aloo matar dahi kachori. We will cook both simple aloo matar kachori as well as aloo matar dahi kachori. It's very yummy, tasty and easy snacks. First, we will sieve all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. Sieve it and take it. Now add in this half tablespoon semolina. Put half teaspoon salt. Now add 1 teaspoon carom seeds and half teaspoon cumin seeds. Add 2 tablespoon clarified butter. Mix it well, all the ingredients nicely. Look how crumbly the mixture gets. Now in this we will add half teaspoon baking powder. Again mix it well nicely. Now pour little water into the mixture at interval and mix it well. Knead it for 10 minutes continuously. I had used here 1/3 cup water to make a dough. Now take some oil on your hands and grease the dough like this. Grease it all over the dough. Cover and rest for 2 hours outside at room temperature. Take a bowl, add 6 big boiled potatoes. I had taken here 3 cups mashed potatoes. Along with it, we will take 3/4 cup fresh boiled green peas. Mash boiled green peas and potatoes with masher nicely. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil. Keep gas on low flame. Now add 1 to 2 finely chopped green chilies. Now add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now we will add all our dry spices. Add 1 teaspoon roasted coriander, cumin and red chili powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Roasted all spices for 5 minutes continuously on low flame. After 5 minutes later, put mashed potatoes and mashed green peas to it. Mix all ingredients properly. Mix it well. At this point, you can check salt. If needed, add more half teaspoon salt to it. Mix it well. After 10 minutes later, it's done. From starting to now, it's only 10 minutes and we have cooked it. Now close flame. Now add a handful chopped coriander leaves and also add a handful chopped mint leaves. Filling is ready now. Keep aside to cool down at room temperature. Till get ready all sauces, chutneys, green chutney, tamarind chutney and coconut chutney. You will get it links in description box. Get ready all sauces, chutneys and keep aside. After 1 to 2 hours later, knead dough again for 1 minute. Now take one board, dust some dry flour on it, take the dough bowl and make it round shape like a big log like this. With a knife, make its 8 equal pieces and make a round shape. Convert it in a ball shape like this. From this, take one dough ball. Lightly press it with hands and make a bowl shape like this. Like this, a bowl shape. Now we will put 1 tablespoon filling inside in this bowl. Press this filling inside like this and now again put another 1 tablespoon filling inside like this and press it properly again. Wrap it slowly, seal its edges like this and again convert it in a ball shape like this. Now with hands press it lightly, slowly you press it and give it a kachori shape, a round shape to it. See like this, It's a perfect shape. Take a board and flat it like this. It's ready now. Make all kachori ready like this and keep it aside. I will show you the second method also. Take a board, dust some dry all-purpose flour and flat it like a round shape like a flat puri. Again fill 2 tablespoon filling inside and close it, seal it, make a round shape, flat it lightly with your hands. It's ready now. Make all kachori ready like this and keep aside. Preheat 5 minutes before oil on medium flame for deep frying. Put kachori for frying. Do not touch it for 1 minute. After 1 minute later, turn it. Cook till it get light golden brown in color. Fry it and remove it. Fry all kachoris like this and keep aside. Take serving plate. I had taken your 2 kachoris in 2 different plates. Cut it with knife like this in a 4 pieces. It's very crispy from outside and soft from inside. First we will make aloo matar kachori. For that, take kachori, put 1 teaspoon tamarind sauce on it, tamarind chutney, then 1 teaspoon green chutney, then add 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and also sprinkle some nylon sew. It's ready. Now we will make second serving aloo matar dahi kachori. On kachori put 1 to 2 teaspoon thick curd, 1 teaspoon tamarind chutney, 1 teaspoon green chutney, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves on it and sprinkle some nylon sew. Both kachoris are ready now. Serve it as a snacks. It's very tasty and yummy snacks. Remaining filling material you can store it in an airtight container jar in refrigerator for 4 days. Whenever you want, just remove it and make kachori of it and fry it. You definitely make this. Everybody will love it. To watch my channel first, click on the bell icon. If you like my recipes, please click on the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Delicious.